Hey Luxx babes, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are doing tapings. On the previous video, I did the KSS smoothing treatment. In this video, I am going to be doing the taping installation. Right here, I have my tapes from my Raw Vietnamese collection. It is 16 inches. This is the Luxx Curly, so it can blend good with my sister texture once we blow it out. Or if she want to wear it curly, she could just do a little wet and go. This here is 200 grams. I'm sorry, 200 grams. We have 80 tapes. It's 20 right here, 40 right here, 60 right here, and then 80 right here. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and let's get straight into this video.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life.
So right now, Luxx babes, we are going in with a shampoo, the Sea Moss Fusion shampoo and conditioner, just for the aftercare of the KSS smoothing treatment that we did in the previous video. I went in with the shampoo 2 times and I used the conditioner. I deep conditioned her for 15 minutes while we was shampooing and conditioning the tape-ins. Look at her curl pattern, Luxx babes. I told you guys the KSS treatment enhances your curl pattern while still giving you the straight silky results. Come and book the KSS treatment today. Right now, I am shampooing the tapes. Remember to use sulfate and alcohol-free shampoo, just because you want to treat this like it's your hair, because it's giving and it gives the natural, raw, luxurious feeling if you treat it right. Preparing for the blow dry, I did go in with the Heat Defense Thermal Spray by Janae Michaels, and I also went in with the Fusion Leave-In Spray by the KSS system. You do have to follow up with this leave-in spray. After I finished the blow drying process, I went ahead and silked my girl out. We already did the trim in the previous video from the KSS treatment, so I'm just silking my girl out and preparing her for the tape-ins. Luxx babes, can y'all go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, turn on your post notifications, everything, all of that, period. Thank you in advance. Luxx babes, look how nice and healthy her hair look. This is 1 week after the KSS smoothing treatment by Influence. After we got done soaking her out, I did go ahead and pre-part her. I did 2 sections up the front and I did 1 section in the back. I parted her out in a U shape, and now I'm just checking and making sure that we can't see the metal tip comb, just so we can have a seamless look. So with this install, this Luxx babe will be able to wear a middle part, a side part on both sides, a half up, half down, a full ponytail, and a bun. Let's get into it. Also, you want to make sure when you're getting tape-ins, you're going to a licensed professional, because if they're not done correctly, you can get a lot of breakage, and you just don't want breakage. You want your hair to flourish, be nice and healthy. The first couple of rows of tape, I did go ahead and blow them out and straighten them just so you guys can see the straight look versus the natural state look. And I did pull them up and do a little ponytail test, period. It was giving nice, luxurious, and natural. Moving along to the two front parts of the head, I went ahead and did the other side off camera, and here I am doing the other side. We did have 3 parts in total. We had a middle part and we had the 2 side parts. Get into this natural state of the Luxx curly tape-ins, period. And this is 16 inches. It's giving nice and full luxury. Everything is just giving everything it needs to give. So I went ahead and blow dried them section by section, and I went in and I flat ironed every piece. Thank you, Luxx babes. I just want to thank y'all so much. This channel is growing and your girl is being consistent. I'm making sure I post at least once a week, if not every other week. Your girl is doing it. Like I said, like I always say, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much, y'all, for always supporting me and always watching my videos. Stay tuned for the next videos to come. See you guys soon. Here your girl is with the middle part, period. It is giving luxurious. It is giving unnoticeable. It is giving wet tape-ins. It is giving natural hair. It's giving this is my hair. Get into this side part. The side parts was given too, period. Get into this other side part, because the other side part was eaten too, y'all. Check it out, period. Girl, like, just get into this. Get into these tapes, period. I want y'all to text 757-418-5645 if you're interested, so we can schedule a consultation. Get into this half up, half down. Yes, she is not playing, period. I wasn't playing when I did this install. Get into it and look at this ponytail, and then your girl is gonna flip it up in the bun. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you in advance, Luxx babes. We're gonna continue to grow this channel.